Hi friends, let's start. So today we are going a mysterious place. It's located in south of Germany. I mean, from Zurich, 1 hour and 45 minutes. From Munich or Frankfurt, it's almost 3 hours. From Stuttgart and Zurich, almost the same distance. 1 hour 45 minutes, around 130 kilometers. So, what is the specialty of this place and where it's exactly locating? That I want to say. So, it's locating Nature Park Obere Donau, and exact location is Boiron or Knopfmacherfelsen, and the Donau River, actually young Donau River flowing through this region, and it's a valley. And the hilltop, you will get a good panorama. Good, very good. You will take. Yeah, this is the hilltop. From there you can see very well the river Donau flowing through, and there is a red color. It's a cloister. It's a very old cloister, and this is the Hunderman house. It's actually a restaurant, we can say. And in this restaurant you will get very good, they are growing there, Zebu is kind of bull, you can say, cattle. It's growing there, the valley of Donau. There is a good vegetation, they have enough food there, so good air, and nothing artificial, I would say. Everything is quite natural. And through the valley you can walk or cycling, even kayak. But kayak is some other area I will mention in this video. Also you can stay there in a wooden cylindrical house. It's you can book from www.campimdonautal.de. I think for family, yeah, two-person, two children, almost 95 euros per night. You must book earlier. Everything required booking, even kayak, or if you want to go restaurant. Maybe restaurant if you are alone might be possible you get to enter, because I went to the restaurant without appointment. I get to enter. So this is the monastery Boiron. It's actually an ancient Latin institute and the largest monastic library in Germany. Almost 400,000 of books there. Also, when you are interested to do kayak, you can reserve in this website donautaltouristik.de. The other thing is you will get amazing feeling from your busy life for at least 2-3 days. I will recommend strongly, because even to this restaurant, the way, the right side is a river, left side is a rocky mountains, and good green vegetation, quite good look air, everything come together. That is a good plus point of this area. Even with family, children's, and everything, they can also enjoy, because they can play in this water. It's a very low current, and yeah, for safety, or I don't know, to walk across the river, there is a lot of big rocks. They make shape and they put there. Yeah, this is the one. So unbelievable. This is the Young Donau River. The Germans call Young Donau. So the restaurant, the Hunter House. Yeah, this is the Hunter House. I will show you later where is that Zebu. പൂഞ്ഞയുള്ള കാള നമ്മുടെ നാട്ടിലെ മലയാള ഭാഷയിൽ പറഞ്ഞ വണ്ടിയൊക്കെ വലിക്കാനൊക്കെ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന. So Zebu growing here and they serve for you. It's a good, very good taste. Really, I had very good taste and good salad. I totally relaxed. Another thing is when you enter this restaurant, you will see a lot of stuffed animals like fox or ducks, water ducks, lot of water ducks, and something like mongoose and much more animals. Yeah, they stuffed and keep like a ibex or ibex like a mountain goat or something you can say. So this all they stuffed and keep, so it's give you a wonderful feeling. So this all staying near to your dining, you can watch and it's a fish stuffed fish. Totally amazing. It was busy when I was there. Normally they ask me, do you have a reservation? No, I don't have. You are alone? Yeah, okay, then I will try. That's what they say. I was lucky. Otherwise my effort, long way of the walking is almost 3 kilometers and more. It will be waste, but anyway, I focus on health and discover new places to show the YouTube buddies or friends. Yeah, this is the Zebu and salad. My god, this salad was unbelievable, very very fine one. So the river, they see the children's playing there with dogs. I don't know, just when I was there, just the children's alone. I don't see parents or someone. And nice sound, you can relax, sit and relax. This is the cool place. Everybody must visit this place. And it's actually boost your health system because fresh air, good food, and you will walk or cycle or kayak, whatever you can do, you will do. Of course you will do. That is the thing, because the beauty of the place. So finally we had a good dinner, and let's go and watch the Zebu, the guys, what they are doing there. See, this is the one Zebu. It's their habitat. There's a good vegetation because of the river. Whenever there is a river or stream, whatever, there will be good vegetation. There is a lot of farming opportunities. That is the reason I think their restaurant or hunter house, whatever, it's locating here. Actually they using this opportunity. This is the way nature must be protected by humans. Actually I was too late. Anyway, it was a wonderful meeting. I think they're going to bed. I've just arrived then. They are looking actually, everybody looking at me. Who the hell is that? They're thinking. In European time, actually, summer longs um, up to 10:30. It's okay. When you are alone, it's better. Finish your dinner and roam around. Left the area 9:30. Nothing to worry about the area because there is nothing aggressive animals or something. Anyway, when you are alone, you will little bit afraid because beside there is a rocky mountain and wild and yeah. Anyway, the valley good light. Naturally, there is a good light. There is no artificial electrification or something, but you will little bit worried when you are alone. Anyway, I was these all activities finish, and when I back, I think almost 11 o'clock. It was funny, but I had a good time. I'm really telling you, I had a good time. So I'm totally recommending this area. Whoever having a busy life or who focusing on their health or look, discover or taste good food, then this is the best point, one of the best point. I will bring more area, more places and informations whenever I have time. I'm also a walking guy. Weekdays I walk, and weekends I almost out. Hey guys, they are looking at me. They are wonder who the hell is that. I was wearing a red color t-shirt. Red color is little bit annoying animals. I think I don't know. They are quietly looking there. It was a time sunset and what I would say 10:30. Then I listen. There is a sound. I just go there and watch what is that. I understand something flows there. Yeah, it was the Donau River, and they reduce the flow. I don't know what is that. They build something there. I just see that, come back. Then I had a good day. I slept in my car because I tried to book that cylindrical house, but I was too late. Often my journeys just unexpected. Just pack up and go. That is my way. Because when you are alone, it's okay. You can manage many things. When you are going team, you have to plan a lot because different opinions, that all you have to respect. So you need a good planning. When you are alone, it's okay. That is a different story. I'm back. I'm heading to my car. Then I see that small guys are running. They are happy. They're going to drink milk or I don't know. But it was a good feeling. Now I am back to my car. So it's actually totally dark. I had to walk almost 4 kilometers, something like that. Yeah, 4 kilometers. So every minute it's get dark and dark and dark. It was funny. So after a long walk, I think I walk 40 minutes or 35 minutes, something like that. I arrive in my car, and then I was actually exhausted because I start the day of early morning. I start and I was many other places, many activities. Then I come to this area. When I coming to this area, I mean the Boiron, it was very rainy, very rainy. But whenever rainy or whatever, my destination is destination. I don't want to stop. I just heading forward always. Then when I reach the point, there is no rain. It was totally different story. It's always something like that. Evening when it's get dark, yeah, it's a little bit gloomy, and it's when you are new there, some feeling, new feeling. When maybe every day it's boring. Yeah, that's true. When you are new, you will get a good feeling there. So after a long walk, I reach my car and I relax. It was a great day.